Iranian drones have made a name for themselves in recent years. They are fast, precise, cheap, and reportedly have many avid customers in different continents. Despite the impressive success, however, the country showed it's still ambitious about its drone program, as it unveiled a new generation of the weapons on Tuesday. These new drones have a noticeable difference compared to their predecessors. They are significantly smaller. Micro-aerial vehicles, MAVs, are small, lightweight drones designed for specialized tasks. These miniature UAVs excel in situations where larger drones can't operate, such as indoor environments or tight spaces. Commander of the Islamic Revolution Guard Corps, IRGC, Ground Force, Brigadier General Mohammad Pakpour, told the Tehran Times that MAVs have entered direct combat in recent years as well. Over the past 2 to 3 years, developments around the world have made it clear that MAVs can be used for more than just surveillance and reconnaissance efforts, General Pakpour stated. I remember I heard about a case where a group of micro-drones were used to attack tanks. Naturally, it would be very difficult for tanks to target these comparably smaller weapons. MAVs, even in large numbers, would also cost a lot less than even one tank. The interview was conducted as the IRGC commander was overseeing drills in Iran's southwestern regions. The conflicts in Ukraine and between Armenia and Azerbaijan have highlighted the potential benefits of micro-drones. As a result, we decided to develop a more sophisticated generation of MAVs. We are incorporating them into our military exercises, and since they have successfully completed their missions so far, I can say that they are some of the best in the world, General Pakpour stated. The Tehran Times understands, Sabre is one of the MAVs used in the course of the drills so far. They can carry various anti-tank and anti-personnel weapons within a range of 5 kilometers. The general did not specify the current extent of Iran's or potential customers' use of these new weapons. However, given the attention surrounding Iranian UAVs, these micro-drones could become equally valuable to the country and scary for its adversaries. Meanwhile, Iranian media revealed the development of a new loitering munition, colloquially known as suicide or kamikaze drones, over the weekend, noting its mild resemblance to Russia's Lancet drone. Assuming that the new loitering munition manufactured by the IRGC is inspired by the Russian-made Lancet, the drone must have a flight endurance of 30 to 60 minutes and carry a payload of 3 to 6 kilograms within a range of 40 kilometers. The use of the word, inspired, is noteworthy. The drone certainly isn't identical to the Lancet but seems to share a similar basic design and, as Tasnim notes, most likely has a comparable range and payload. In combat in Ukraine, Lancets have been credited with destroying several high-value targets, ranging from Western-supplied Leopard tanks and howitzers to Soviet-era air defenses and fighter jets, miles behind the front lines, leading Ukraine to acknowledge how dangerous and difficult they are to counter. While this record is undoubtedly impressive, there is no indication it has generated Iran's interest in acquiring the Lancet. To date, Tehran has exclusively exported drones to Russia without importing any Russian ones. Even before Russia and Iran's unprecedented technical and defense cooperation forged since the latter invaded Ukraine in 2022, it was Moscow, as early as August 2019, that showed interest in Tehran's drones, not the other way around.